There's a reason the guys who seem least interested often get the most attention. It's not manipulation. It's not games. It's something most men never understand because they're too busy doing the opposite. If you've ever wondered why pulling back works better than leaning in, you're about to see exactly what's happening beneath the surface. These 15 reasons explain why ignoring women creates attraction, and why everything you've been taught about showing interest might be working against you. 1. You become the only man who isn't trying to take something from her. Every day she's navigating men who want something. Attention, validation, a response, a chance. You ignoring her puts you in a category of 1, the guy who isn't asking for anything. That alone makes you different from the last 20 men who approached her. She doesn't have to manage you. She doesn't have to perform politeness. And that absence of pressure makes her curious about what you actually want. When you're not taking, she starts wondering what you have. 2. Her brain registers absence as unfinished business. There's a psychological principle called the Zeigarnik effect. We remember incomplete tasks more than completed ones. When you don't pursue her, you become an open loop in her mind. No closure, no resolution. She finds herself thinking about you at random moments, not because you did something memorable, but because nothing was finished. You gave her a beginning with no middle, and that gap, her brain wants to close it. 3. You skip the audition phase entirely. Most men enter her world already performing, trying to be funny, trying to impress, trying to earn her attention. By ignoring her, you sidestep that whole dynamic. You're not auditioning, you're not competing. That reframes the entire interaction because suddenly she's not evaluating whether you're good enough. She's wondering why you're not trying. If you're done being the guy who floods her with attention and ready to become the one she can't stop thinking about, type tension below, so we know who's actually changing the game. 4. She starts filling in the blanks with her best-case scenario. When you give her nothing to work with, she invents. That's how human psychology works. We complete the picture with our own imagination. And here's the thing. She's not going to imagine you're boring or uninterested in women. She's going to imagine you're confident, in demand, maybe even a little dangerous. The less you show, the more she projects. And she'll always project something more interesting than the truth you could have told her. 5. You accidentally mirror how she treats men she's not interested in. She's done this 100 times. Been polite but distant, not rude but not available. She knows what disinterest looks like because she uses it constantly. When you do the same thing back, it registers instantly. Wait, he's doing what I do. That pattern match creates an uncomfortable question. If this is how she treats men below her level, what does it mean that he's treating her that way? That question lingers. 6. Her competitive instinct wakes up without a clear rival. Here's what's strange. You don't need another woman in the picture for her to feel competitive. Your absence is enough. When you ignore her, she's not competing against someone else. She's competing against whatever is more important to you than her. That unknown rival is almost worse because she can't assess it, can't outsmart it, can't dismiss it. She just knows something else won, and she wants to know why. 7. You remove the performance pressure that makes her guard go up. Pay attention to this one. It's the most misread signal out there. When a man shows obvious interest, she has to decide what to do with it. Accept it, reject it, manage it. That's pressure. But when you ignore her, there's nothing to manage. Her guard doesn't go up because there's no incoming threat. She relaxes. And a relaxed woman is far more likely to feel genuine attraction than one who's busy protecting herself. 8. She loses her usual script and has to improvise. She knows how to handle interested men. She has responses ready, boundaries set, deflections practiced, but you've given her nothing to respond to. No script fits. That uncertainty is disorienting in a way that feels almost exciting. She doesn't know what to do with you because you haven't given her a category to put you in. And when someone can't categorize you, they keep thinking about you until they can. 9. You become information she can't organize. Her mind wants to file you somewhere. Interested, not interested, player, nice guy, waste of time. But ignoring her gives her no data. You're a blank she can't process. That unresolved classification keeps pulling her attention back. It's not that she likes you yet, it's that she can't figure you out. And the effort of trying to figure you out starts to feel like interest. She confuses her own curiosity for attraction. 10. Her friends can't give her advice because there's nothing to analyze. This one changes everything if you actually get it. When a guy pursues her, she screenshots the texts. She asks her friends what it means. She gets opinions, strategies, verdicts. But when you've given her nothing, there's nothing to show them. No text to decode, No behavior to interpret. She's alone with her thoughts about you. No outside voices diluting or dismissing what she feels. Just her, thinking about the guy who gave her nothing to discuss. 11. You create space for her to feel her own desire without prompting. Most men rush in and create a dynamic where she's only reacting to his interest. She never gets to feel her own. But when you pull back, something different happens. There's room for her attraction to develop organically, from the inside, without being prompted by your pursuit. That kind of desire feels more real to her because it came from her, not from responding to you. She owns it, and what we own, we value. 12. She stops evaluating your interest and starts questioning her own. When a man is clearly interested, she asks, "Do I like him back?" But when you're not showing interest, the question flips. Wait, why don't I have his attention? Am I not his type? That shift is massive. She goes from judge to contestant without realizing it happened. She's no longer evaluating you. She's questioning her own appeal, and that question keeps you on her mind far longer than any compliment would. 13. You sidestep the validation economy she's drowning in. She gets attention everywhere. Likes, comments, DMs, glances. It's currency, and it's inflated to the point of meaninglessness. Your attention would just be another deposit in an overflowing account. But your lack of attention? That stands out. It's the one thing she can't buy, can't earn easily, can't predict. In a world where validation is cheap, your indifference becomes the only thing that holds real value. 14. Her pattern recognition fails, and that failure feels exciting. She's seen every type of approach. She can predict what most men will do 3 moves ahead, but you broke the pattern. You didn't follow the script. And when pattern recognition fails, the brain pays closer attention. That's survival wiring. It feels like excitement, novelty, even danger. You didn't trigger attraction by being attractive. You triggered it by being unpredictable. And unpredictability is the one quality she almost never encounters. 15. You let tension build instead of releasing it too early. Most men feel tension and immediately try to resolve it. They text too much. They confess too soon. They close the gap before it has time to become anything. But tension is attraction in its raw form. By ignoring her, you let that tension stay unresolved. It builds. It compounds. It becomes something she physically feels. And when you finally do give her attention, it lands completely differently because she's been waiting for it without even realizing she was waiting. Now you understand why pulling back creates space for attraction to build. But here's the thing. Once that attraction starts forming, she won't tell you directly. She'll show you in ways most men completely miss. The signals are there. They're just subtle. And if you don't know what to look for, you'll walk right past the very interest you just created. The next video shows you exactly what those signals look like. The quiet signs of flirting women use when they're genuinely interested, but don't want to be obvious about it.